Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Edible Arrangements birthday gift or voucher. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to use my laptop and I'm going to open up any web page, and in Google search here I'm going to type in Edible Arrangements. There it is there. Click onto that. Then I want to click onto ediblearrangements.com. And now wait a few moments for this website to load up. Internet is a bit slow today. Alright, here it is here, ediblearrangements.com. This is the official website. And now from here, once you're here, let's go back here, Edible Arrangements. Yep, so once you're here, click onto Account and then click on Edible Rewards. And now from here, you'll come to this page where rewards. It says here, sign up for sweet perks like free birthday gifts, VIP benefits, and a free chocolate dip fruit box with every third purchase. Are you in or are you in? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up. And from here, you need to create a new account. So put in all your account information, your email, password, your name, birthday, contact phone number, and click I'm not a robot and click create account. So I'm going to go ahead and do this quickly, pause the video and get back to you. Alright, once you've filled it out, it should look something similar to this, but obviously with different details. And now go ahead and click on create account. Visit my account to see your available rewards. Congratulations. So go ahead and click on my account. This is going to redirect you to your account summary. Alright, there's a few rules when joining up the Edible Rewards. So if we have a look here, Edible Rewards program, and then in particular Birthday Club. So it says here the Birthday Club is open to all Edible Rewards members who have provided their birthday information in their Edible Rewards account profile at least 24 hours prior to the first day of the month of your birthday. If you sign up either within the 24 hours or the first day of your birthday month, or during your birthday month, you'll not be eligible to receive a Birthday Club reward in that calendar year. However, you will be eligible to receive a Birthday Club reward in the following calendar year. The Birthday Club reward is a free dipped fruit box of this time of recording. The contents of the free dipped fruit box will be determined by a local Edible Arrangements. And to receive your Birthday Club reward, you have to be a Birthday Club member and have made a purchase of at least $29 for US members or $30 for Canadian members. And it states here, Birthday Club reward notification will be emailed to the Birthday Club member on or about the first day of their birthday month. So for example, if you are born on the 25th of January, they will send you out a notification or email on the 1st of January to let you know about your rewards. And there's a few other noteworthy things you can read for yourself here before I end the video.